We're now going to see what it's like to collaborate on a project. Now for this you need to get into pairs. One member of the pair will be the owner and the other member will be a collaborator. Our goal is for the collaborator to make a change to the owner's repository, which will be fully synchronized. You'll switch roles afterwards, so you'll get to see this both ways round.
Right, so the first thing the owner needs to do is to give the collaborator access on GitHub. So from the GitHub desktop client, we can go repository, view on GitHub. Here it is. And then you can go to settings, manage access. And if you scroll down, you can invite a collaborator. And you can invite them by their username, their full name, it'll search, or their email address. In this case, I know the username of the collaborator that I want to collaborate with, my good friend, Jigsaw. Lovely. So now the collaborator, Jigsaw, needs to go to their email inbox. And so inside Jigsaw's email inbox, we have this invitation from GitHub saying that I have invited you to collaborate on the birthday party repository. So Jigsaw can come along and click view invitation, scroll down and can accept the invitation. And Jigsaw is redirected to the birthday party repository. So now Jigsaw can go into the GitHub desktop client and clone this repository. Let's do that. So now when Jigsaw opens up the GitHub desktop client, and here I've logged in as Jigsaw, he can go up to the add button, clone repository. And here in the list of your repositories are any repositories you've published to GitHub, plus any repositories that have been shared with you. And so you can just click that. You can choose where to place it. In this case, I'll download it to a separate Jigsaw file, click clone, and clone downloads the birthday party repository, and now I'm able as Jigsaw to make an edit. So inside the confirmed list of people coming, Jigsaw can add his name. It's good. He can push the commit. Let's see, so well, first we'll save the commit, so added important people, commit to master and push. All right, okay, now I am going to log back into GitHub desktop as me. Hold on a second. And now logged back in as me, that is the owner of the repository on GitHub desktop, I can fetch. Remember, fetch compares changes. I see there's a change, pull origin. And here it is, added important people by Jigsaw. So we've done our first piece of collaboration. It's now time for you to have a go. And then once you've done that, swap over in your pair and see if it works the other way around as well.
So if I can offer some tips on collaborating, always pull before changing anything on your computer. And secondly, commit little but often. Let's stay in our pairs to see what happens if we try to work on the same file at the same time.